This candle looks very bright when seen from a close distance. It looks less bright or dim when viewed from a remote corner of the room. Same is true with sound as well. As you know, light spreads out in all directions. Intensity of light or sound decreases as we move away from the source. How much it reduces is given by the law known as inverse square law. Let us understand this law with the help of shadows. Let us take this graph paper and mark squares like this. Innermost square can be considered 1 unit or 1 square. Middle square is 4 times as large as the innermost square. The outer square is 9 times larger than the innermost square. We will paste this graph paper on the corrugated sheet so that we can move it around. This small square piece of paper is equal to the size of the innermost square. Let us use needle and eraser to mount it. We will place it between graph paper and light source. The distance from the light source is 10 cm right now. Let us keep our graph paper very close to it. Shadow of the paper is projected on the graph paper. When I move the graph paper away, shadow size increases. Right now, it is identical to that of paper and is 1 square in our terms. At 20 cm, it is equal to the size of the middle square. And at 30 cm, it is equal to the size of outermost square. What can we learn from this finding? Size of the shadow is proportional to the square of the distance from the source. Let us consider 10 cm as 1 unit. Shadow for the second unit is 4 times, while for the third unit it is 9 times. Intensity is the amount of light falling on the area. Same amount of light falls on the larger area as we move away from the light source. And as per the law, this area increases by unit square. This is the reason light becomes dimmer as we move away from the source. Let us test this finding with the help of 2 cell phones and a light meter app in our mobile phone. Light meter app needs light sensor in your smartphone. You can use Science Journal or light meter app as well. It reads the intensity of light in lux, which measures lumen per unit area. You can observe that the intensity of light decreases as we move away from the light source. Though values are not exactly proportional to distance, they are quite indicative. As per these findings, at 20 cm, we should get a reading of 523 lux, but we got 550 lux. At 30 cm, we should get 232 lux, but actually got 283 lux. The readings as per this setup are not exactly like the inverse square law, but they are very much close to the actual findings. Same can be tried with sound as well. Sound level is measured in decibels and this scale is logarithmic. At 20 centimeter, 3.5 decibel difference is there, which is equal to intensity ratio of 3. While at 30 centimeter, 9.9 decibel difference is there, which is equivalent to the intensity ratio of 9. You can use candle as a light source as well and try it out. In case of candles as well, at 20 centimeter, we should have got the reading of 337, but we actually got 408. While at 30 centimeter, the reading should be 9 times less than the first reading, which is 150, but we got 192. This law is used to measure astronomical distances. Point sources like gravitational force, electric field, light, sound, or radiation obey the inverse square law. Try designing activity to visualize these sources as well. Thank you.